right, guys, we got the giveaway cars here in the background, the two C8 Z06s. What I'm gonna do for myself, test out, we have the DJI Mic 2 receiver here, and apparently you can get some really good audio directly from the iPhone. Normally it's terrible, so let's shoot a little intro clip here, and we're gonna see how it sounds. All right, guys, we got the iPhone 16 hooked up to the microphones. Hopefully it sounds really good for you guys. Got the two C8Zs here. Of course, we have the coupe, the convertible. Both are up for grabs now at 717supply.com, plus a total of $60,000 coming with them, $30,000 each. So I did have to shut the garage doors here because they are using a gas blower outside. But one thing I wanted to show you, the key with the Z06. So really nice key here, but one of the nice features is that you can, of course, remote start your car. So if you want to hear it fire up from outside, you can do that by hitting lock and then double clicking on the start button here, and it will fire right up. It's a little loud. Just a little bit. Guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, but this is a true cold start. It hasn't been started in a couple of days. There you go, the idle's going down a little bit, but it is a mean start, no matter if it is cold or warm. It's got a very aggressive start to it every single time you fire it up. It sounds absolutely insane. And of course, we have the full Fab Speed race exhaust, full titanium tips, and you can see the pipes, they start to turn blue, of course, because when titanium heats up to a certain degree, it begins to turn blue, and it makes the exhaust look even better. And we haven't really run it that hard yet, so you might even get some more blue color out of it. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in the car. Now I am 69 inches, so my seat is up a little bit. I sit a little bit closer to the steering wheel than a lot of people, but we're in the car now. And of course, to be able to drive it, put your foot on the brake, and then you're just gonna hit the start button. You'll see the dash come up here. So all of your window controls and the control for the roof are right over here on the left. So to put that top up, we're just gonna hold this puppy down here, and it's gonna do its really, really cool closing mechanism. And it's super fast. And it's just gonna ding, and then it's gonna say folding complete. And if you continue to hold that down, it's gonna put the windows up. We don't need the windows up right now. But what I wanna do is a POV drive of the convertible, starting with the top down, then we'll put it up. Hopefully get some really cool audio for you guys, a really cool perspective. We're gonna put the hat cam on, so hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do a quick little walk around here before we take our drive. This is, of course, the C8 Z Convertible. ALT forged wheels. This also has the Z07 aero package on there. So you're getting a more aggressive front splitter. Of course, you can see the side skirts. And you get the carbon aero big wing, which is the first time we had a big wing on a Z. I think it looks absolutely sick. Get a look at these alt forged wheels. Really nice lightweight forged wheels, front and rear. Got my Ghost Energy in there. Of course, the Blue Monster's coming with it if you want it. We haven't had anyone take us up on that yet, but we got a whole case for you. So here it is, guys, in front of the shop, our beautiful, beautiful C8 Z06 that we're gonna take out for a little ride. Cool little start screen here. Let's go ahead and start her up for you guys from the inside, see how it sounds. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we got the hat cam all mounted up. It is mounted right above my eyes, right under the brim of my hat, so it should give you a really good view of what you're actually gonna see when you're driving this thing. We're gonna start with the windows cracked here. I do have an external mic hooked up with the windscreen, so hopefully we get some good audio. As you can see, the rear window is cracked. That lets you get a little bit more exhaust sound, but we're starting in tour mode here. So I'll just toggle it there. This is your mode switch down here. As you can see, we are in tour. We're gonna start in full automatic mode. So let's get to it. Now, of course, tour mode is gonna make your exhaust a little bit quieter. It's gonna keep those valves closed. And you're also gonna get a little bit sooner shifts. The gearbox isn't gonna respond as aggressively And it also loosens up the suspension for you, so you're gonna have a little bit of a softer ride. You probably wanna go with this mode if you're just cruising on the highway, doing a little road trip, or you just wanna relax. So Tour mode is a great mode for just putting around town, essentially. Turning onto this back road here. Now hopefully you can see it's shifting around about 2200-2300 RPM. So it's gonna keep those revs nice and low for you in Tour mode. Take her right down here. Now my favorite way to drive this is in sport mode with the paddles. I love the paddles. A good gearbox makes any automatic car for me really good. So the Z06 of course has an amazing dual clutch transmission that responds lightning fast to your inputs, and just cruising here on this back road is just fantastic. No problems whatsoever in Tour mode. But let's be honest, you didn't buy this car, you didn't win this car to drive it in Tour mode. We want to put this puppy in sport, so we're just gonna go one click right clockwise on the dial, and we are now in sport. Gonna get more aggressive shifts. Make sure we're in drive here. We're gonna get more aggressive shifts. It's gonna keep the revs up. You're gonna hear that exhaust better. The valves are now open. So I'll just give it a little gas. Yeah, and it's ready to go. So it knew I wanted to give it some gas. It's gonna hold those revs. Super, super responsive. You get really, really great throttle response in this car. Now hopefully we can find a road here with a little bit less traffic. Hopefully these guys turn off, but we're going pretty slow. The Caddy, they like to drive slow. Okay, we are now in manual. And I'll try to kind of exaggerate my shifts just so you guys can see how fast. It is lightning quick the way this thing responds to the paddles. Downshifts, upshifts. Amazing. All right, that guy does not know how to stay in his lane, went completely over the double yellows. That is a very common thing that people do here at this curve. Of course, it is very hard to stay in your lane while doing 35 miles an hour, but it's cool. You're gonna get those nice cracks and pops when you let off the accelerator. Once you get above like 4,000 RPM, you're gonna get some crazy cracks. And I found if you kind of let off a little bit slower, you're gonna get more pops and crackles. Now, of course, we don't want to speed here through residential areas, so we're going to take it easy, go the speed limit, try putting the windows up. We're going to leave that rear one down. So you still get some really good exhaust noise without all the wind noise, which is kind of a really nice middle ground. Put the fans on just a little here for myself. But man, listen to that. It's just so aggressive. And like I said, if you guys let off around like 4,000, 4,500, up to 5, like listen to this. You also get a really nice crack between shifts when you're shifting it pretty aggressively. I think it might sound, we might get a little bit more sound with the windows cracked, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. And man, it just doesn't let off the power when you're full throttle. It sounds incredible. This thing is so much fun to drive, guys. Now, I've heard a lot of people say online, you've got an automatic car, it knows how to shift better than you. That is true. But I find it just so much fun to use these paddles because they're just so responsive. They are just so good. Got some golfers up here. It's a nice little area. Just absolutely savage exhaust. All right, guys, put it back into tour mode here. We're just gonna cruise for a little bit and talk about the car. So I've said this before, this is my favorite vehicle that we've ever given away. Any of the C8 Zs are just so good. And Mike said it before, you can't beat this car for the cost, right? There is nothing you can get out there for about $125,000 that's even remotely as good as this. This is better than the Ferrari 458. It sounds better than the Ferrari 458. I think it looks better than the Ferrari as well. A lot of other competitors in that price range, but you're just not gonna get something, a true American supercar, flat plane V8 mid-engine that's this good. You're just not. Now there's a reason we've been doing Corvettes now. We did 3 in a row. Well, we had the truck thrown in there, but we've done 3 Corvettes now, really close to each other. Of course, the Rapid Blue, we did the convertible, which I'm in right now, and the newest, the coupe. My favorite is the convertible. I love the flying buttresses on the back. I think it makes it look really special, really supercar-like, because it is. Actually, there's a rainbow out there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just an incredible car. The convenience of the convertible is so nice. You hit the button, the top goes up and down within like literally 10 to 15 seconds. It is stupid quick. You can do it up to like 20 miles an hour. It's just amazing. So let's say you go up to a stop sign like I am right now and you're like, wow, you know, it's beautiful out. Here I am putting the top down and it is almost done by the time I'm talking about it. That goes up, looks really cool, not gonna lie. And yeah, and I didn't even impede traffic because there's no one behind me. All right, guys, let's run it with the top down now. Hopefully the audio is decent. We're gonna check it out. The sun's a little harsh, but it's not too bad, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful day. We're finally getting some good weather here in central PA. The highs are getting into the mid to high 70s, which is just perfect, especially when you have a car like this and you can just throw that top down, put it in sport mode. Let's go into sport here. Oh, there we go, we're in sport. Our valves are open, just had a tight bar go past us. And let's give it a little something. Yeah, it's insane, guys. This is one of those cars that is just absolutely special. And I think this is gonna go down as one of the best American cars ever made. No turbos, no supercharger. Just a screaming 8,500, I believe it's 8,500 RPM redline. I don't know if you can rev all the way out to 9, but it just screams in those upper RPMs. Nice pop between shifts. And it really only pops pretty loud once you're a little bit higher in the revs, just like how it pops and crackles when you let off. A fun little trick, you can kind of get it to continue to pop if you just like feather the gas. So that's me just kind of feathering the gas. And turn off onto this nice Mexican road here. That's a good car. All right, let's whoa. All right, let's see how she do. have the top down, so hopefully it's not too much wind noise for you guys. But man, this car, it just checks all the boxes. All right, guys, we're gonna head back to the shop now. I got the top back up at the red light there because it is just so quick to do, so easy. But I hope you guys like this ride along. A lot of fun driving this car. If you guys want to win it, of course, head over to the website, 717supply.com. Everything you get on the website gets you automatically entered to win both cars, the coupe, the convertible, $60,000 in cash total. And I'm telling you right now, you'll want to win this car because it is insane.